Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be taking you through on steps on how to apply new number plate. Even before I proceed, guys, if you are new here, remember to subscribe, like and share, turn on your notification to get updates on new videos. You can also give us a comment on how to cover. I'll take you through the steps. First, the requirements that you need during the application. You need a copy of your logbook. Then you need to take pictures of the front number plate and the back number plate. Then you need to merge the three documents as one document so that you can be able to upload them during the application. Then first, you need to go to your browser where you need to log into your eCitizen page. You go under eCitizen, you log in, continue to the new NTSA portal where it will take you to the NTSA dashboard. As you can see on my dashboard, this displays the vehicles that are registered under my name. For the new number plate application, you need to click on the vehicle that you need to apply for. So under the vehicles that are indicated, now there is the last button that is indicating view. So you just need to click on that button. It will give you the particular of the vehicle, the details, the model, vehicle summaries and such. So just click on the top right corner, there is a green button that's indicated the motor vehicle service. Click there, it will take you to the other page. Under motor vehicle service, the first one is indicating reflective plate. The other option where you can do a duplicate of the logbook, where you can apply for change of particulars, apply for vehicle transfer, annual inspection and compliance inspection. So for my case, I just need to click the reflective plate. It will take you to the other page. This is the vehicle's particular, where you just need to confirm whatever the system has generated is correct and it's matching with the logbook that you're having. You click next. It will take you to the other page. The first drop box, you need to choose the reason for the plate, reflective plate. Is it the lost? It has three options. There is the lost, damaged, and the new generation. For this case, I need the new generation. Then the document that I had scanned and combined as the one document, it needs to be in PDF form. So I'll just upload it, choose file. Then I'll choose the vehicle's document. Then I'll click open. I'll scroll down, click the reflective plate. You need the front one or the back plate or both. I need the both plates. There are two options. The plates, the oblong and the square. The oblong is the long one, and the square is the one that look like a square, like the back one, the way it looks like. So you can either have the front and the back look alike. So for my case, I need the first one, the front to be oblong, the back one to be square. So I'll choose the station where I'll collect the number plates, the new generation plates. Then the mode of communication, you can either use the SMS or the email. I'll use the SMS. Then the person to collect, it's either individually, you can either go pick it yourself, or you can select a person to go and collect the plates for you. So for my case, I'll just choose my details, search your ID number. This helps for verification. Then you key in the first name. Then you click search. It will show you the details are matching with the person that you have selected. Then key in the phone number of the person that will be going to collect the plates so that you can be able to get the communication. Key in the phone number, starting with the 07. That's the format you should be using. Then I declare the information I've presented is true. Then I just need to click preview. The preview page gives you the option to verify the data that you have keyed in is correct. Just confirm the data of the vehicle is matching with the logbook, and the fill part that you are supposed to fill is correct. Then you just need to click complete. It will take you to the payment page where the number plate application is usually 3050 for motor vehicles and three-wheeled car, that's the tuk-tuk. So for the motorcycle it's 1500. So the mode of payment is M-Pesa. I'll use the first option where I'll click on the here button, where the system will auto-populate the payment method. It will initiate the payment. So the SDK menu will pop up into my phone where I just need to key in my M-Pesa. Or else if the option is not working, you can use the second one where you need to use the business number plus the account number. Then I've already confirmed the payment has gone through successfully. Now the invoices for the payment of the reflective plate, it's ready. I just need to download and have a copy for in case of reference. Guys, that's how you do the application of the new generation of number plates. I hope you have learned something from the video. Give us a feedback, give us a comment on what to cover. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you.